it's Miss Karen. Today I'm going to do a little figure play called Two Little Blackbirds. Two little blackbirds sitting in a field, one named Jack, the other named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. Two little blackbirds sitting in a field, one named Low, the other named High. Fly away, Low, fly away, High. Come back, Low, come back, High. Two little blackbirds sitting in a field, one named Fast, the other named Slow. Fly away fast, fly away slow. Come back fast, come back slow. Two little blackbirds sitting in a field, one named Early, the other named Late. Fly away early, fly away late. Come back early, come back late. Two little blackbirds sitting in a field, one named Wobbly, the other named Straight. Fly away, Wobbly, fly away straight. Come back, Wobbly, come back straight. Two little blackbirds sitting in a field, one named Serious, the other named Silly. Fly away, Serious, fly away, Silly. Come back, Serious, come back, Silly. Two little blackbirds sitting on a field, one named Far, the other one Near. Fly away, Far, fly away, Near. Come back, Far, come back, Near. Two little blackbirds sitting in the field, one named Quiet, the other named Loud. Fly away, Quiet, fly away, Loud. Come back, Quiet, come back, Loud. Okay, that's my blackbird poem. Hope you liked it. Bye.